you ever wondered why, despite working so hard, your business doesn't grow the way you want it to grow? Why do you keep attracting the wrong clients, experience financial ups and downs, or feel confused about your next move? What if I told you the answers aren't just in the marketing strategies or in the financial planning, but from a higher spiritual dimension? Welcome to the world of Akashic Records, a space where your soul's journey, past, present, future, is recorded. In this video, you are going to learn how tapping into your Akashic records help you understand and discover your soul's business purpose, heal limiting beliefs and energetic blocks, attract aligned clients, and create a business that flows with ease and abundance. Stay with me till the end because this video might be the turning point you were looking for. Now, in segment one, just understand what are Akashic records. Akashic records are like metaphysical library of everything your soul have ever experienced. Every thought, emotion, action, intention across all timelines are stored in Akashic records. These records are not bound by time, space, or dimension. They hold your soul's blueprint. Think of them like a database, a Google where you can just type anything and get your answer. Through meditation, guided session, or working with trained practitioner can help you access your Akashic records, or maybe a reading can help you faster. In segment 2, let's understand your business is the reflection of your energy. If you are constantly undercharging, facing cash flow problems, struggling to launch new offers, or stuck in confusion, it's not just a strategy problem. It is an energetic problem. Through the Akashic record reading, we identify the soul level fears like fear of visibility, the past life vows like poverty vows, clarity vows, direction vows, repeated karmic patterns, which is betrayed from partnerships, maybe in business, maybe in life, and the energetic misalignments, such as believing that you are in the wrong place every single time. Business is 20% strategy and 80% your vibe, your energy. If your energy is misaligned, no strategy is going to work fully for you. In this segment 3, let's understand what can you discover in your business through Akashic record reading. Have you ever felt that something is off in your business, but you just can't pinpoint it? You're doing everything right, things are right, but the results do not match your effort. You will say that I do 200%, but what I get is only 50%. That's often a sign that your answers aren't in your strategy, it is an energetic problem in your Akashic records. So, what do you uncover with the Akashic records? Your soul gifts. How do they come into your current business to help you grow? Understanding your misalignments between your offer and your soul purpose. Unconscious patterns sabotaging your growth every single time. Money blocks inherited from family or maybe past life. Karmic relationship with business partner, clients. Your energetic brand, what energy your business carries right now. So many people doing the same thing, but one is outshining. Why? Your ideal business model should match your ideal Akashic records. So let's take a real life example. A woman was running a fashion boutique, and every time every client came to her, she was asked, everyone was asking for discounts, and they didn't want to pay the full price. When I accessed her Akashic records, I got to know that in a past life, she was a reader and she used to give everything free. Now, the energy says that whatever I give, is always free. So now, when she is wanting to charge for her work, she's not able to do it. So, when we realized that it's a wow coming from the past life, we released it. And trust me, she's doing better at her boutique now. Now, in the segment 4, let's understand how Akashic healings help you take the aligned actions. When we clear your Akashic records, the blockages, it clear the ancestral patterns, which is scarcity mindset, which is passed through generations maybe. You release the past life contracts, the vows of self-sacrifices. There are so many times when we are stopped and stuck because of our own energy. Third, you get to break the toxic energetic cords which are draining your partnership, your relationship. And last but not the least, it removes old fears, the fear of failure, the fear of success, the fear of not being the best. So, what will you become? you start making decisions from clarity and not confusion. You start attracting clients who value your work. You stop chasing money. In a room, if you are there, money comes to you. So, in this last segment, let me share some real life cases with you. So, case number one is Vishal, who is a digital marketer. Of course, I'm changing the name here for personal reasons, but the story remains the same. So, Vishal was losing clients very often. People don't wanted to pay him full and used to compare him with other marketers on the price point. No matter how well he delivered, the best he delivered, the over he delivered, nothing was making money for him. In his Akashic record reading, I came across one of his past life where he felt abandoned and believed that he didn't deserve loyalty. Now, every time a client comes to him and pay him, and he is starting showing up loyalty to them, things don't work. And he was just imagining that, what am I doing wrong? Once that energy was cleared, things shifted. Maybe he has lesser clients, but he has loyal clients, he has regular clients. Case two, I'm going to share about Nana. She is a spiritual coach and she wanted to raise her prices. And it's been 4 years she's in the industry and she's doing better than many others who are charging like 10x, 20x. So when I accessed her Akashic records, I came across a soul agreement of her past life where she was working in an NGO kind of a place where she used to help people without charging. Now, because that soul contract was not complete, that was operating in this life also. And now, when she wanted to charge for her work, the soul contract said that you're going to do it for free. Therefore, no money. Many business blogs don't just start in this lifetime, they have deeper spiritual roots. When you clear the energy, the results show up faster. Now, in this segment 6, we are going to understand that how do you use these records in your day to day life. By learning Akashic records, you can do so much day to day in your business. Number one, it helps you making decision. Not sure if you want to launch, collaborate, do a business move, right, wrong, ask your records. Is this aligned with my soul purpose? Number two, hiring team members. Before hiring someone, you can check, is this person a good energetic match for my business? Number three, creating offers. Wondering what to sell, create next. Ask, does this offer, does this product, does this service reflect my true gifts and calling? Next is attracting clients. If the right clients aren't showing up, ask, what energy is blocking my ideal clients from finding me? And last but not the least, writing. When you're not sure about what do you want to post, what do you want to share, because social media is such an active part, tune in and ask, what does my soul want to say today? There is so much that you can do with Akashic Records by doing a reading, by doing a course. It is completely onto you. There are so many people who do courses with me, and there are so many people who do regular readings with me because they want to do the best of their life. Now, coming into the final segment, in the world full of business strategies, funnels, analytics, what are Akashic Records giving you? It's not just a strategy, it's a soul alignment. With Akashic Records, you're not just asking, what should I do? You're also asking, what's right for me at my soul level? This means you make right decision, clear decisions, aligned decisions. You build a business that reflects your true purpose. You attract clients who are energetically aligned to you. This isn't replacing your logic, it's about adding your soul to the process. When soul and strategy works together, business becomes more joyful, magnetic, and fulfilling.